What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing today? It is a beautiful day out here. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. So welcome to Use, Reviews, and Grow. Today, we're going to be adding more of our spots. I don't know what you call them. I have to call them something. Little beds, I guess you could say. We're going to be adding more beds today. Walk with me. I thinned out my blackberries, so it'll be a lot easier for me to dig them up and replant them. Here's my wild blackberry here. This has thorns on it. So I got my gloves from Harbor Freight. These are a thicker glove, $1.99. I did some pruning and there was more canes, but I wanted this to be the only one. So I got my primer cane, which is the main cane, and then I got the stem that's coming off, which is going to have the berries on it. Over here we have another variety of blackberry, but this doesn't have any thorns on it. So again, primer cane right here that I left. There's 5. So I got 5 of the main primer canes. I cut everything else out, thinned it out, so there's more airflow and all that kind of stuff. And what I'm gonna do, it'll be easier for me to replant this over in one of the beds. This here, it looks like it's a lot, but it's actually a primer cane with stems coming off of it. And I want to say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stems coming off of it. So when I move it into the other area, then I will cut off a few of these stems. I won't cut off all of them, but I'll cut off a few of them. That way they'll be ready to go for the next year. All right, here's the other blackberry. You can see a primer cane coming up for the next year, along with weeds. But this bad boy here is pretty much ready to go. We do have some berries down here that I don't know if they should ripen, but I don't know. We'll see. But this thing right here, I'm not going to do anything with this as of right now. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to let it run its course. But this is the one we're looking at. This is the future right here. This is the future. So once these bad boys are, they're pretty much finished, then they will be going into the compost pile. But this bad boy I will replant. Last but not least, we have our blueberry. This is the same blueberry that's over there. We don't get many blueberries off of this thing, and I think it's because of where we have it. So when I move it into the bed, when I move it into another bed, hopefully it will produce and produce well. So this is the agenda. This is the goal, to move 1, 2, 3, 4 plants in their own separate beds. I'm not going to go as big. I'm not going to go 4 by 4, 4 by 3. I might go 2 by 2. Because I figure if I do a 2 by 2, I can get more beds in the space. So that's what I think I'm gonna do, a 2 by 2. And it is kind of less work, which, I'm not going to shy away from. Never shy away from less work. Okay, so sometimes you got to think smarter and not harder. All right, so let me get my tool and let's get to work.
for making a 4x4, 4 foot by 4 foot. I think it was a 4 foot by 4 foot.
All right, we got the hole dug. I don't know if it's small. I don't know what, until I get that bush over here. I mean, it's a nice size hole, but we'll see. Oh, let me get a breather here.
Yeah,
Whew.
it is
okay,
hot.
So now, you know, common sense. I'm gonna add in some of the amendments in the hole, and then put the bush in there, see what it looks like.
Water it.
Then add more amendments, and then water it, cover it with cardboard, and then cover it, that cardboard with, I'll probably use this this grass over here that's all lumped over here. I'll put it on top of the cardboard upside down, so the grass is facing down and the roots are exposed to the sun. That way that grass will keep that cardboard down where I need it to be.
Look at that baby going in the hole. Hope he survives. Weeds out. Transplanting the dirt to the plant. Wait a minute. Okay, so we got it in. Looks like it's one with the dirt. Took some time, but oh no. This part right here is bending right there. See that?
Yeah, I see it. That's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's all good. Okay, we're getting the post pounder in. That hurt my ears. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to sit you down. It's in. Oh, another one.
All right, so we have it replanted. We got our 2 posts, because these things will lay down on you because they're heavy. They're top heavy. And they will bend and lay down on you. I'm not sure exactly what the variety of Blackberry this is. I have the label up there, and I don't feel like going up to get it. But we have 4 canes. I had to dispose of one because it kind of broke off as we were moving this thing. So I have 1 cane here. I have another cane here. My 3rd cane is here. And then my 4th cane is here. What I will eventually do is, I got the string here so it won't bend. They all want to kind of go forward. So I got the string here to keep them standing up straight. And what I will do is get some of them plastic ties that planters or that gardeners use. I'll get some of those and then wrap these to the strings so that they won't move on us. I don't want them shifting on us. When I have these where I want, I'll clip them. I'll clip them about maybe, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches above the string line. That way, all this will not be used by the plant. All the energy will go toward the berries, if that makes sense. So that's exactly how we're going to do this. Now I just need to put some cardboard down and put some things over top of the cardboard so the cardboard does not move on me. Other than that, that's about it. I'm just gonna put cardboard down and put something on top of the cardboard, and we're gonna call that a wrap. So thank you guys for taking the time out y'all's day to check out this channel. Make sure you subscribe, tap the like button, hit the bell icon, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.
Peace.